ಹಲೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಕಾಂ 6th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ 2 ಅಂಕದ ಥಿಯರಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಅದನ್ನ 4 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ರೀಕನ್ಸಿಲೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ರೀಕನ್ಸಿಲೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ರೀಕನ್ಸಿಲೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ that identifies and explains the specific descriptions between the net profit shown in cost account and net profit shown in financial account. Second question, what is process costing? Process costing is an accounting method used to assign a production costs to identical or mass production goods that pass through a continuous multi-stage manufacturing system. Process account ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೌನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ. ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮೆಥಡ್ used to calculate the cost of providing a standardized service rather than manufacturing a physical product. What is job costing? Job costing, also called as order costing, is an accounting method used to track and assign material, labor and overhead costs to specific unique project, job or custom order. Fifth question, what is output costing? Output costing is also known as unit costing. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ unit costing ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, output costing ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಅರ್ಥ. It is a cost accounting method used to find the cost per unit of a production for a business that manufacture a single uniform product line on a large scale. What is contract costing? Contract costing is a specialized form of job costing used for massive long-term construction, engineering or infrastructure productions. Seventh question, what is marginal costing? Marginal costing is a decision-making technique where only variable costs are assigned to product or service, while fixed costs are treated entirely as expenses of the current period. What is unit costing? Unit costing is also known as output costing. It is a cost accounting method used to determine the exact cost per individual unit of output. ಇನ್ನು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2. ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗಳು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Name 4 industries where unit costing is applied: dairies and milk processing plants, flour and rice mills, coal and ore mining operations, brick manufacturing. Name 4 industries where operating costing is applied. So operating costing ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್, ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್, ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಮೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟೇಷನ್. Name 4 industries where job costing is applied: custom furniture, interior design, automobile and machine repair, commercial printing press. Name 4 industries where output costing is applied: cement factories, breweries and soft drinks bottle plants, paper mills, sugar manufacturing mills. ಇನ್ನು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 3 ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ 2 ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್: ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಗ್ರಿಗೇಷನ್. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ 2 ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್: continuous flow, average of costs. State 2 features of output costing: product uniformity, natural units. State 2 features of ABC system: activity focus, multiple cost drives. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 4 ಇನ್ನು ಕೊನೆಯದು 4ನೇ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗೇನ್? ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ that goes beyond the expected normal loss limit. It happens due to unusual or accidental factors like machine breakdowns, worker carelessness, power outages, or substandard raw material. Abnormal gain, this occurs when actual production wastage is lower than the expected normal loss limit, resulting in a higher output of good units than the anticipated. What is normal loss? Normal loss is the unavoidable wastage of materials that naturally occurs during a standard production process. What is a product? Joint product, byproduct. So meaning of the product, any finished tangible goods generated by manufacturing process intended for sale to customer. Joint product means two or more distinct product of high and relatively equal commercial value produced simultaneously from a single common raw material and processes. Byproduct means a secondary product of a minor commercial value that is incidentally generated while manufacturing the main product. What is work certified and work uncertified? Work certified, the portion of construction work completed on site that has been officially inspected, approved and valued by the client independent architect or engineering. It represents the basis for a program payment. Work uncertified, the portion of construction work that has already been completed by the contractor but has not yet been officially inspected or certified by the architect at the close of the accounting period. It is valued strictly at the actual cost. What is work in progress? Work in progress represents all partially completed goods or projects currently sitting on the production floor or construction site at the end of accounting period. These items have consumed materials and labor but are not yet finished or ready for sale. What is contract price? Contract price is the total legally binding sum of money agreed upon between the contractor and the client for the successful execution and completion of the entire specific project. What is a subcontract? A subcontract is a secondary legal agreement where the primary contractor hires an outside specialized firm or individual to perform a specific portion of the overachieving project. What is the break-even point? The break-even point is the specific level of sales volume where a business generates zero net profit and zero net loss. At this exact point, total sale revenues perfectly match total fixed and variable cost, meaning the company total contribution margin exactly equals its fixed overhead expenses. What is a cost drives? A cost drive is the specific structural factor or trigger that causes the cost of a business activity to increase or decrease. It acts as the cause and effect link used in ABC system to allocate activity expenses to final products. What is activity based costing system? An activity-based costing system is an advanced accounting methodology that identifies all major operating activities within an organization and assigns overhead cost to products or services based on their actual consumptions of those activities. It provides a highly accurate view of product profitly compared to traditional volume-based allocation methods. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 marks. ಇವೇನಿದೆ ಈ 4 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಪೇಪರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ.